Let us start input and output statements in C. The simplest of all input or output operations, reading a character from standard input unit and writing it to the standard output unit. This is the input means the reading characters and reading information, and output means the writing standard output unit. This is divided to the two types: formatted input or output functions, unformatted input output function. Let's start unformatted input output functions. This is divided to the four types: get, char. Get means read, char means character. One character read using the function is get, char. Okay. Next one, put, char. Put means print, char means character. Okay. One character print, you are using statement, you are using function is put, char. Get means read, s means string means group of characters. Group of characters read, you are using get as. Put means print, s means string, group of characters print, you are using statement is put as. Okay. Next one, get, char. Single character can be entered into the computer using C library functions. Okay. Single character read in the program, you are using get, char. The get, char function is the part of the standard C language I/O library. In written single character from standard input device. The function does not require any arguments. Through the pair of empty parenthesis must follow the word get, char. Okay. This is the simple meaning. Get means read and char means character. The single character read using the function is get, char. Okay. And let's follow the syntax formation is char. Character variable is equal to get, char, open parenthesis and closed parenthesis, semicolon. Where character variable refers to some previously declared to the character variable. Suppose declare the one character variable, declare data type is char, variable name, semicolon. This is the variable declaration. The variable is name. Okay. Observe the syntax formation. Character variable is name. Name is equal to get, char, open parenthesis and closed parenthesis, after completed to the statement, semicolon. This is the example of get, char. Okay. One character read in name. Okay. Next one, put, char. The single character can be displayed means print. The single character can be displayed using the C library functions. Put, char. This function is complementary character input the function get, char. The put, char function, like a get, char, is the part of standard C language IO library. It is the transmit a single character to standard output devices. The character begin transmitted will normally be represented as the character type of variable. It must be expressed as the arguments and functions enclosed in the parenthesis following the word of put, char. This is the simple meaning. Put means the print, char means character. Print the characters, display the character, you are using function is put, char. Okay. That is the simple example and syntax formation. Put, char, open parenthesis, character variable, closed parenthesis, semicolon. This is the put, char syntax formation. Okay. After you are declare the variable and the syntax formation is the follow. Okay. First one, declare the variable char name, semicolon. Okay. Previously you are read the one character in name. Okay. The character is the display, use the put, char. Put, char, open parenthesis, name, closed parenthesis, semicolon. Okay. The first statement declares that the name is character type variable. The second statement causes the current value of name to the transmission to the standard output devices where it will be displayed. Next one, getS and putS functions. Get means read, S means string. Read the group of characters using function is getS, and putS means print the value, S means string. Put means print, S means string. Group of characters print use the statement is function or statement is putS. The getS and putS functions which facilitate the transfer of strings between the computer and standard input or output devices. GetS function. The function is used to read string. The general format is getS open parenthesis string name closed parenthesis semicolon, where string name is valid variable and must be declared as the string. The string is terminated by the new line character. Okay, this is the example. Get S open parenthesis string name closed parenthesis semicolon. Example, char name single subscription semicolon. Okay, get S open parenthesis name closed parenthesis semicolon. That is the example. Next one, put S. Already I told this. Put means print, S means string. Okay, group of characters display the using function is putS. The putS function is the print or displays the string. The general format is putS open parenthesis string name closed parenthesis semicolon. Okay, one of the example, char name single subscription semicolon, that is the variable declaration. Next one, putS open parenthesis string name is name closed parenthesis semicolon, where string name is valid variable must be declared the string. Okay, next one, formatting input and output statements. Okay, the C language supported to format functions such as printf and scanf statements. Scanf read data from keyboard into memory variable. It is an input function. It is called by address function as ampersand, necessary in the scanf statement. Okay, next one, scanf open parenthesis double quotation controlling string double quotation close, comma ampersand variable 1 comma ampersand variable 2 closed parenthesis semicolon. Okay, suppose controlling string consists of formats. The integer variables, the controlling string is %d. Okay, floating point values, the controlling string is %f. Character variables, the controlling string is %c. String variables, the controlling string is %s. The scanf is the predefined in stereo.h, standard input or output header files. Okay, first one, int a. A is the integer variable. You are using controlling string is %d. Scanf open parenthesis double quotation %d double quotation close comma ampersand a. Okay, address, suppose a created to the memory allocation, address here created. Next, int a comma b comma c semicolon. Scanf open parenthesis double quotation %d double quotation close. How many variables? 3 variables, a b c. A controlling string is %d, b controlling string is %d, c controlling string is %d. Double quotation close comma ampersand a comma ampersand b comma ampersand c closed parenthesis semicolon. Int x semicolon, integer variable is the declaration, float y semicolon, char ch semicolon. Okay, next one, scanf open parenthesis double quotation x controlling string is %d. Next, y controlling string is %f. ch controlling string is %c double quotation close comma ampersand x comma ampersand y comma ampersand ch. 3 variables you are created to the memory address closed parenthesis semicolon. Okay, next one, printf. Printf open parenthesis and closed parenthesis is used to display the information required by the user and also prints and value of the variables, it is called by value function. It is a predefined. Suppose scanf and printf both are same formation. Okay, the scanf statement used ampersand variable. Without ampersand you are used to the printf statement. Printf open parenthesis double quotation controlling string double quotation close comma variable 1 comma variable 2 closed parenthesis semicolon. Next one, int a is equal to 25 semicolon. Already assign the 25 value stored in a. Printf open parenthesis double quotation percentage d double quotation close comma a closed parenthesis semicolon. Display the value on monitor 25. Display the value 25. Printf, this is the printf statement is divided to the two types. The value is the display and the message the display the message the display using two ways. Printf open parenthesis double quotation, hello, this is the C language double quotation close closed parenthesis semicolon. Display the message on the screen. Okay, small program. Okay, program to add subtraction and multiplication and division to the two numbers. Okay, first as include stadia.h, as include conia.h. This is the header files and main function. This is the default section curly bracket open. Next one, int addition of two numbers a plus b are number 1 plus number 2. Sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Two variables have two variables number 1 comma number 2 comma sum comma okay daf difference and comma product comma semicolon. Okay, float division. Okay, next one, print enter any two numbers. Number 1 stored to the particular numerical values. You declare the statement, you write the statement is scanf statement. Scanf open parenthesis double quotation number 1 related to the control statement is percentage d, number 2 related to the control statement is percentage d double quotation close comma ampersand number 1 comma ampersand number 2 closed parenthesis semicolon. Next, sum is equal to num1 plus num2 semicolon. Okay, subtraction is equal to num1 comma num2 semicolon. Okay, multiplication is equal to num1 into num2 semicolon. Division is equal to num1 by num2 semicolon. Next one, sum, difference, product and division. Three variables displayed using the printf statement. Printf open parenthesis double quotation sum is percentage d, sum is display closed parenthesis semicolon. Printf difference percentage d double quotation close difference closed parenthesis semicolon. Printf open parenthesis double quotation product percentage d double quotation close prod. Okay, prod means multiplication closed parenthesis semicolon. Printf division is percentage d double quotation close division closed parenthesis semicolon curly bracket close. Okay, this is the total information about the input or output functions. Okay, now okay, next it is in C. An operators is defined as symbols that specify the mathematical operators and logical and relational operations is performed. Okay, operators is nothing but the symbols. That is the major important point. Is the operators is nothing but the symbols. C support a rich set of operators. These operators can be categorized this and the following the groups. First one, arithmetic operator, relational operator and logical operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement operator. Next one, bitwise operator, conditional operators, special operators. This is the 8 operators in C programming language. First one, arithmetic operators. In some cases we need perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and modulo division operations, which are called to the arithmetical operations. These are performed by using arithmetic operations in C. These operators are commonly used in the most programming language. The following are the available arithmetic operators in C. Okay, next one, operations. addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division. The important point is operators: plus, minus, multiplication, asterisk symbol, slash and percentage. Okay, the syntax: two operands or two variables, apply the operator a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a by b, a percentage b. Suppose a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 7, substitute 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Okay, next one, a is equal to 12 and b is equal to 6, 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Okay, the values is the substitute, the syntax formation, the output is the display. Okay, next one, here and a and b are called operands or variables. Arithmetic operators can be applied to any integer or floating point numbers. The modulus operator percentage finds the remainder of integer division. Suppose 16 percentage 3. Okay, 16 by 3, the remainder value is the display. Okay, 16 by 3 means the quotient value is the display. Okay, division, the output is quotient value, percentage, the remainder value is the display. Okay, next one, relational operator. Relational operator also known as comparison operators. Compare two variables. It one that compare two values. Expression that is the content relational operators are called relational expressions. Relational operators return the true or false values depend on the conditional relationship between the two operands. Relational operators are follows: less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and double equal to and not equal to. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to. Less than, okay, meaning right side you enter. Next one, expression 4.5 less than minus 10, this is the false. 4.5 less than or equal to 10, this is the true. Minus 35 greater than 0, false. Okay, next one, logical operator. Logical operator. C language supported to the three logical operators. They are logical and, logical or, logical not. Logical and operators. Okay, this is the supported to the two expressions S1 and S2. The condition is the true, the condition, two condition is the false and condition is the false. Both conditions is the true, output is the display the true. Remaining all conditions are false. S1 is the 0 and S2 is the 0, the output is 0. S1 is the 0, S2 0 means negative, S2 is the 1 positive. Okay, two conditions are true, the output is will display the value 1. Remaining expressions are false, that is the AND operations. Okay, logical OR operations S1 and S2, S1 or S2. Any one condition is the true, the output will true. Both conditions are false, the output will 0. Okay, in above table 0 is the specify the false and 1 is the specify the true. Okay, the condition is the true, immediately output will false. The condition is the false, immediately output will true. That is the logical NOT operator. Assignment operator. Assignment operator means equal to. The value is the stored particular variable used to the assignment operator. Suppose x is equal to 25. 25 value stored in x. X is equal to 2. 2 is stored x. Y is equal to 3. Sum is equal to 0. Sum is equal to x plus y. Equal to is assignment operator. Increment or decrement operator. Plus and minus called to the increment or decrement operator. Suppose plus means one value added, minus means one value decrease. Okay, plus m means m plus means m is equal to m plus 1. M minus means m is equal to m minus 1. Suppose int a is equal to 10, a plus values become a 11. X is equal to 11, x minus value become a 10. The conditional operators, question mark, colon and semicolons are conditional operators. Okay, suppose the expression 1 is the positive, the expression 2 is the display. Expression 1 is the negative, expression 3 is the display. Okay, clearly the expression evaluate the first if the true, expression 2 is the evaluated and become a result of expression, otherwise expression 3. This is the main important. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. 10 greater than 20, this is the false, immediately output is B. Okay, next one, bitwise operators. And, or, XOR, left shift and right shift one's complement. This is the bitwise operators. And, or, XOR, left shift and right shift one's complement. Next one, comma operators. Okay, int x comma y comma z, separate the variables using the comma operators. Next one, size of operators. The size of operators is the unary operators used to calculate the size of data. The operator can be all the type of, suppose int a is equal to 10, int size is equal to 2, char a is equal to char a semicolon, char size is equal to 1, float b semicolon, b size is equal to 4. Okay, that is the result, size of a, that is the integer, the result is equal to 2. Type casting and data conversion. This process is the conversion to value expression different data types. Suppose data types exp, int I plus j. The, for example, integer value I is equal to 0, j floating value, the converted to the valid int 9.5, j is equal to 9.5. The valid statement reason we write the expression is int data type and expression. One data type information converted to the another data type is nothing but type casting, implicit. Okay, suppose implicit type casting is done, float b is equal to 25, integer value type casting, float b is equal to 25.0. The data type, one data type float, the integer value converted to the float is nothing but implicit. Next one, explicit. The float salary 10,000, int salary. Okay, int open parenthesis and closed parenthesis sal. Okay, this is the total implicit. Type conversion. The one operand float point type of one string character, then the character converted to the float point to the result expression is between the float will result float. Okay, this is the both operand float point and precision difference. Lower precision operand converted to the precision higher operands result. Okay, suppose int a is equal to 10, float b is equal to 5.5, c is equal to a plus b is invalid. Why? A is the integer value, float b is the floating value, is the output is invalid. Suppose c is equal to float a plus b, this is the 15.5. okay, this is the total information about the type casting and conversion and operators. Okay, thank you.